That is not a process to be not a woman of recommendation not to be about outcome. Not for about now the account. And today, so we are public answer your order. That's what we do. Another you just give something to them. They will not even have time to go through the book in detail. And answer go and work on your book. So NACA, there should be some kind of worker they are to be taken. Other than that, the people might not buy out to be a
we know and yet the first time Eba Montini pen ya wankasa o kama matie. Ankwankwaye the very first time naka enso so entumi anye ne assessment ni due diligence yi akwakoba ne say no. Should we be worried as a country?
As a country, because Ghana has a tradition. Ghana has a culture. It's an ocean. Ghana, you see, that anyway, the manner is totally different from what is going on in the Western world. So if we try to inculcate in our curriculum this LGBT, it will go a very long way to tarnish our culture, tarnish our traditions. It means that, yeah, when teachers are and bad work, which was go a very long way. We worry us as parents, to worry us as a culture, worry us as a tradition. To me, I stand as a single person say there is no way we should give room for the LGBT people to enroll in the curriculum.
But Mr. Frampo, niawo kayi no. Just as you said, say NACA anye due diligence. Say we have an institution like NACA. Now we entumi anye due diligence. Ama ye hunu bibi say, ewe teacher manuals more. Should health be rolling?
Yeah, maybe this challenge. Maybe the feeling of the about how they amount all the necessary tools, all the necessary material. Say, private would make a migrant. No, my young in and I made night set up by the product neighbors with their back. They will be able to perform in every they want to action. Nothing being which means you have so many pay now you are you also posting financial loss to the state, which means that you have things to answer. So the ship will be crashed. So all the personnel at NACA, they have two questions answered. Because the ability to share start and then the buy which my buyer and I say buyer and I say to me into time I won't find yet a minimum of factor. And I say your subject by the end of the day you take your money from the government. Oh, question. People who are being paid there to see for everything in Ghana, then the amount of money that the government is spending on their resources, the amount of money that the government is spending on those or more, they have got answer. But when they connect them and then deposit financial to the state. Other than that, all the vision, all the vision say one against the emotion to and they're not
Sir, we share the blame game ekoso right up bia me kan on a pay krano na chere me say the NPP printed the first year and the NDC also came up with the second year, which included this sexuality in Niema. Should this be our worry of blame game on issues like this?
When it comes to education, we shouldn't attack political collective. Say MP for first, say NDC for second. Let's put all the things aside. Now you ensure the well-being of the community almost a true time. You know the last time I said, if I were to do the government and I make sure then I bring all of them on board, irrespective of political party, come on board to help. Now, who say about after me, it can be true. Will be from all the political parties. I don't know where they do anything when it comes to education. Then the parts we have as a media, I don't know how I want to talk about my education basic or give out I want to tell my education policy. So, but they will come and do this as they will come and do this. Not it's a part of it. And Krana, there is a couple who come a year home. Because there are two elephant fights. It is the ground. That's such. It is the abide if I cannot base my political politics. Not abide the this time as the people position. Any other form of in open my ear. It's them aside that collection. My not a very simple movement by this man about 10 years, 20 years, 40 years. Like my time or already 12 months, 40 years education plan. By the time you don't go by a side of British or Prime. I reach my wife on this issue. Then say you know, like 2 minutes. On why I think you put up aside for population. Now you not a single policy which my buyer on this one. It will take 10 years to achieve that single policy. We are good to do.
Well, yeah. Na yeah, se bon Ghana. But report say mitie ni awaka nyina na Ghana se oman a ye nyina oman ni ye nyina ye dan no ye som oman na man niema afa no ntuma pa afura na bebia ekure obi beka se sex education ye kire wo school mu a emfom so ben na nke wo.
That's a very important question. Sex education, you can with women and control the enemy. Sex education should have taken place straight from the various homes of the individual. But the way I am that young person, I am because he ain't sure empire plan to yes, a woman air so slow. The various headmaster, teacher, even male students having sexual affairs with the female students on campus. At the very offices of these headmasters, to be sounded, headmaster for only a baba with me. Obi baba ada no tane bedroom man. So he headmaster went to baba and one bedroom man. E dey na ma ko kan say obi baba e be da office. Every teacher, every headmaster, you are a role model in the school and in the society you are to achieve. You are a more when I want to have all shows. At the end of that, it is a personal cause of a role model in the media. It's not about the institution. That's a experiment. We see after yesterday, we were talking about the Friday. Or you then and then I will not really start for you and they did not mention the Bible yet. First education is not going to be taught. Because you influence the answer from first education to be misinformed by their own friends and not about pregnancy abortion. But if it can be taught or if it can be done right, then it can be done appropriately in the right way. But yes, I was and for fly for education, you know. Omoni Omusu and Omoban Sena is to base that education issue. If it is reported there, anyway, I was saying, Oma Omusu and Omoban. Yes, and but which means the probably say man which means I'm a former actually the IHS education as now most of the a senate for year because now you be more because a not not the culture of all which I can say. And they say, we are going to go back on what will be great in your mind? You will be single, and another about the answer. Again, about self education are some of the pictures are yet full of your bush removed. Because some of the pictures in some of the bushes are very insulting. You know what I'm saying? Nobody will give this a child to be working for the graphic pictures or working for the graphic videos. But if some of these textbooks will come with this kind of graphic pictures there, and the those books are not permitted to be used in the curriculum or are not being used in the system. The topic can be discussed without pictures. The topic can be discussed or treated without giving any sort of private does not have to get any video or any picture area family. The kind of thing that you can talk about self-education is Obetria and said, Obetria attracted personal hiding when she or he gets into this kind of situation. And the family of that when she obviously herself when she goes into her menstrual period. And the family of that when she do the message, he tries to have sex to have to be pregnant. That it shouldn't be such a challenge. There are so many ways that we can teach sex education without pushing the child to go into it to practice it. In a reduced stage in our development, you can do that certain our development by having a meeting with your children, both the male children and the female children, by taking them through as a parent. Then, when we come back to the school, and the teacher also add that, because in education, the child learns from known to unknown. Known or information about Adeakyea right from home. And some of the best information information. So, according to information right from the home, nobody can pollute the mindset of the child again. But well, the initial information, the initial training, and the initial education about people, and I will be not personal information, and then you said, which will any personal information of everything. Because Nepal now, better try information reaction, or better try to, or better make some experiments, more than practical thing, and not at all of the question. But I want to every other dimension of the same coming out of it. Just last week, we saw a video circulating on social media about a male student and a female student. What were they doing? Having romantic action, romantic activity. And they were not being shy to be on video, bringing it home. So what the bishop of the country, what the Ghana education study, doing about all the kind of things that the classes and more than as of now, which are has still as your airport. So Ghana, we have very long way to go. All the negative stakeholders in education, we need to come on board to fight against this kind of indiscipline in our education. And yes, that's the entire ministry, energy, and a question.
Oh yeah. Anape yemfasida emfama Mr. Edward Frimpong oye educationist. Isn't as anape ene kakra ono so ene ache ose Ghana we have a long way to go. Na memfa asida na pefama KIT solutions. KIT solutions anape bebia obi a woti enka bia ne hia ne se wo ma wo nan about no be pie mu ya hwe wo ba obenya eye phone akura Opet Samsung Infinix Tecno any air phones ahodo nyina bia for wadi chire mu ewo dwuna ase GPU at your browser na so hot ma na obehunu se KIT Solutions ewo yede welcome dear dem hwe ben big brain fekre ewo 0245404140 sara so energy Nike block factory SC why you want to say obesifie in this 21st century Ghana building and construction na ema o mine no air trainer air kese